Hello guys, welcome to my session. Let us discuss this KCET 2016 paper part 2. 30 questions we did in the first session. The first part. Let us continue from question number 31. Before I start guys, please do subscribe our channel, enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all our classes. Let us start guys. Tan inverse of x square plus y square as alpha, then what is dy by dx? This can be written as square plus y square is equal to tan alpha. But differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of x square is 2x, right? And differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Differentiation of tan alpha is 0 because it is constant. So this can be written as 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. 2 and 2 cancels. Dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Okay, answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. The rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius r, that is I should find out dA by dt when the radius is equal to 2 centimeter. Right, area of a circle is pi r square. Rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius. Find out what is dA by dr. Area with respect to its radius when r is equal to 2 centimeter. Right, area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Now dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r. Right, now dA by dr and the radius is 2 centimeter equal to 2 pi into 2 is equal to 4 pi. Area, right? Unit is centimeter, so it should be centimeter square per radius. Radius is centimeter, so cancel. You will get 4 pi centimeter. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. See, when you have suppose like this, limit should be 0 to pi by 2. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. F of x to the power of n. Okay, again this is f of x to the power of n plus f of pi by 2 minus x whole power n. Okay, and then dx. Answer is always equal to pi by 4. It can be sine cos, it can be tan cot, it can be cosec sec. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. Here lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2. Sin x to the power 1000 cos sin x power 1000 cos x power sin x 1000. Same form. Answer is always equal to pi by 4. Okay, you might get questions like this. Similarly, if I limit should be 0 to pi by 2, I can have tan x to the power of n with any power. Tan x to the power of n. Again, this is tan x to the power of n plus cot x power n. With any power, answer is pi by 4. Tan x to the power of n. Again, this is tan x power n plus x power dx. With any power, answer will be equal to pi by 4. Okay, suppose if you have limit 0 to pi, limit should be 0 to pi. Sec x to the power of 5 divided by sec x to the power of 5 plus cosec x power 5. Okay, and then dx with any power, answer will be equal to pi by 4. Right, answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Value of tan pi by 8. Okay, actually tan theta by 2 root of plus minus root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus. I'll take plus only because pi by 8 is acute angle. 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. Right, now if I use the formula tan pi by 8, tan pi by 8 can be written as tan of pi by 4 divided by 2. Tan theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It will be equal to root of 1 minus cos pi by 4, okay, upon 1 plus cos pi by 4. Equal to root of cos 45 is 1 by root 2, right? Again cos 45 is 1 by root 2. You can write this as whole root of, when you take LCM root 2 will get cancelled. be written as root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Right, there's no option like this, so I'm going to rationalize the denominator. So into root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Numerator becomes root 2 minus 1 the whole square. Right, divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that is 2 minus 1. Root and square cancels, you get root 2. I still don't have option. Right, so again if I rationalize this, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1, numerator will be equal to 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1, 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Answer will be option D. Rationalize twice, or here itself, instead of rationalizing the denominator, in this step only, instead of rationalizing the denominator, you rationalize the numerator, you will get the answer directly without let's move to the next question. The solution of the differential equation is, okay, now the solution of the differential equation is, I can write this as dy by y is equal to, I can write this as dy by y is equal to minus dx by x. Right, now if I separate the variables, I can write this as dy by y is minus dx by x, right? So let us integrate. So dy by y equal to minus integration of dx by x plus c, right? So integration of 1 by y is log y, right? Equal to minus integration of 1 by x is log x plus c. You shift on the left side, you will get log x plus log y, right? C can be written as log c, right? So log m plus log n is log m into n. So I can write this as log x into y equal to log c. If I equate the corresponding values, you get x into y is equal to c. That is option D. Right? Let's move to the next question. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. Okay, now this is the foot of the perpendicular. Coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. Of the perpendicular drawn from the origin 0, 0, 0 to the plane is 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. Right? So dr is normal to the plane. Direction draws is normal to the plane is 0, 5 and 0 of the perpendicular. Right, now equation of Pn will be equal to, this is x1 y1 z1. DRs are ABC. Equation of Pn will be equal to x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 on c. Equation of the line. Equation of line Pn will be equal to x minus 0 by 0 equal to y minus 0 divided by 5 equal to z minus 0 divided by 0 is equal to some scalar lambda, let's say. Get x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 lambda, z is equal to 0. This foot of the perpendicular will be equal to 0 comma 5 lambda comma 0 equal to 0 5 lambda comma 0. Call equation 1. Right, now if I substitute here, if I substitute in plane 1, this is 5 into 5 lambda equal to minus 8. Lambda is equal to minus 8 by 20. Now if I substitute here, foot of the perpendicular will be equal to n is equal to 0 comma 5 into minus 8 by 25. Okay, and then comma 0. So equal to 0 comma minus 8 by 5 comma 0. Answer is option A. Or you take the points, substitute in the plane, you will get the foot of the perpendicular. Whichever satisfies, that is the answer. Obviously only option A will satisfy. Let's move to the next question. The simplified form of tan inverse of x by y. There's a similar question in, I guess, no, this is same as NCERT MCQ only. This is equal to tan inverse of x by y, right? Tan inverse of x by y minus, if I divide numerator and denominator by x, if I divide numerator denominator by x, this becomes tan inverse of 1 minus y by x divided by 1 plus y by x. Okay, now this can be written as tan inverse of x by y, tan inverse of x by y minus, okay, so the form tan inverse of x minus y, tan inverse of x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. Then the formula will be equal to tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Right, now if I use the formula, this becomes tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of y by x. Okay, now if you open the bracket, it should equal to tan inverse of by y. If you open the bracket, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, minus and minus is plus, tan inverse of x by y. Alright, now this is tan inverse of x by y plus tan inverse of y by x can be written as cot inverse of x by y minus pi by 4. Right, now tan inverse plus cot inverse is pi by 2, right? So the form tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So this becomes pi by 2 minus pi by 4. 90 minus 45 is 45, equal to pi by 4. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. A plus A transpose, A plus A transpose is equal to I. Then what should be the value of theta? Even this is A transpose. Right, now listen. This is A plus A transpose is equal to I, unit matrix. Now matrix A is equal to cos 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta, then sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. A plus A transpose. First row becomes first column, that is cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Okay, second row, second column is sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Equal to I will be equal to 1001. Right, now if I add this 2 cos 2 theta, this is 0, when this is 0, and then you get 2 cos 2 theta equal to matrix 1001. Now if I equate the corresponding values, 2 cos 2 theta, if I equate, you get 2 cos 2 theta equal to 1. From this, cos 2 theta equal to 1 upon 2, right? 1 upon 2 cos 2 theta equal to cos pi by 3. So cos 60 is half. So if I equate, 2 theta is equal to 2 theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta will be equal to pi upon 6. Right, that's the answer. Answer will be option D. Let's move to the next question. Yeah, integration of 6 log x can be written as log x power 6, right? Minus 5 log x can be written as log x power 5, whole divided by the log 4 log x can be written as log x power 4, minus 3 log x can be written as log x cube, then dx. E power log x is x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 5 upon x to the power of 4 minus x cube dx. Right, now I'm going to take x square common. Integration of, if I take only x square common, it is x to the power of 4 minus x cube divided by x to the power of 4 minus x cube dx. Will cancel. Get integration of x square dx. Integration of x square is cube by 3 plus c. That's it, guys. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. The tan inverse plus cot inverse is pi by 2, right? So if I use this result, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. From this, cot inverse of x can be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x. Right, so this is 3 tan inverse of x. Question is 3 tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x can be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x. That's equal to pi. 3 tan inverse minus tan inverse is 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, is equal to pi plus pi by 2. You shift on the right side, it is minus pi by 2. 2 tan inverse of x is equal to pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2. Now tan inverse of x is equal to 2. You shift on the right side, it is pi by 4. This is equal to tan 45. Okay, and tan 45 is 1. Answer is 1. Right, it's a simple question, guys. Just use the identities. So this is equal to integration of e power x. Okay, in the numerator between the first two terms, I'll take tan inverse of x common. So tan inverse of x into this is x square plus 1 whole divided by x square plus 1. Then this is dx. Now if I divide e power x into a bracket, square plus 1 to tan inverse of x, then whole divided by x square plus 1 divided by square plus 1 dx. Right, now this will cancel. Left out is integration of e power x. So this is tan inverse of x. Okay, and then plus 1 by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square dx. So of the form integration of e power x. So this is f of x plus f dash of x. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Formula is e power x to f of x plus c. Should be written as e power x to tan inverse of x, okay, plus c. E power x tan inverse of x plus c. Answer is option D. Alright, let's move to the next question. I'm supposed to find the value of x. X into I plus j plus k is a unit vector. Unit vector means modulus of x into I plus j plus k should be equal to 1. Right, because it's already mentioned that's a unit vector. Modulus should be 1. So modulus of x to modulus of I plus j plus k is equal to 1. So this is modulus of x into root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1. Mod of x is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. Right, answer is option D. So it's asked in 2016 paper, right? It's a miscellaneous question in vectors textbook NCRT. Let's move to the next question. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, the direction cosines of vector A. Right, we know that if it is direction cosines, then L square plus M square plus N square is always equal to 1. So this is L, this is M, this is N, the direction cosines. It means that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. I am supposed to find the value of cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma. Cos 2 alpha can be written as 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So use the double angle formula. Cos 2 beta can be written as 2 cos square beta minus 1. Cos 2 gamma can be written as 2 cos square gamma minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1. Right, I'm going to take 2 common, 1, 2 and 3. If I take 2 common, this becomes cos square alpha plus cos square beta, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, cos square gamma minus 3, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 3 times this is 1, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. 2 minus 3 will be equal to minus 1. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. If A is a square matrix of order 3, what is determinant of 3A? Determinant 3, if you take out, this is determinant 3 power n into determinant A. In general, when you have determinant of Ka, if you take K outside, it is K power n into determinant A. N stands for order of the matrix. Okay, so determinant of 3A is equal to 3 power n into determinant A. N stands for order of the matrix. A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. That's why n is equal to 3. If I substitute here, you get 3 cube to determinant A. 3 cube into determinant A. So determinant A is equal to 27 into determinant A. Answer is option B. Right? Let's move to the next question. The x, y, z are not equal to x, y, z are not equal and not equal to 0 and 1. Then what's the value of this determinant? Yeah, I'll write determinant of first row will be equal to log x, log y, log z. Right? Now log m into n is log m plus log n, right? So this will be equal to log 2 plus log x. Similarly, this is log 2 plus log y. I'll just arrange this properly. This is log 3 plus log x. Log 3 plus log x. Okay, and then this is log y. Second column will be equal to log 2 plus log y. And this is log 3 plus log y. Log 3 plus log y. Right, now this is log z. Then this is log 2 plus log z. Then this is log 3 plus log z. Right, let's simplify this. This is equal to determinant of change R2 to R2 minus R1. Change R2 to R2 minus R1. First row will be equal to log x, log y, log z. Okay, R2 minus R1, log x will cancel, you get log 2. Again, this is log 2 and log 2. Because log z will get cancelled. Change R3 to R3 minus R1. Change R3 to R3 minus R1. This is log 3. Again, this is log 3. This is log 3. Right? In the second row log 2 is common, right? And the third row log 3 is common. So if I take out, you get determinant of first row is log x, log y, log z. Second row is 1, 1, 1. Third row is 1, 1, 1. Two rows are identical. Answer is 0. Answer is B. Let's move to the next question. The function f of x is equal to box x. We did this in the previous year paper as well, 2015 as well. Box x is discontinuous at all integral points. It is continuous only at non-integers. I told you this, right? Same graph. 0 box in greatest integer function 1. This is 2. This is 3. 4. 3 1. 3 2. This is so on. Okay. Input will be equal to 1 if I include 1 and include 0, exclude 1. Output is 1 when I include 1, exclude 2. This is include 2, exclude 3. Again, this is include 3, exclude 4. This is a step function. So this is continuous only at non-integers. Answer is option D. Integer, discontinuous, discontinuous, integer, discontinuous. Discontinuous only at non-integers. Answer is option D. Okay, now listen. I'm supposed to find the value of theta, right? Angle between A and B. 2 times A dot B will be equal to mod A into mod B into cos theta is equal to mod A to mod B. This mod A mod B will cancel. 2 cos theta is equal to 1, right? 2 cos theta is 1. So you get cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is 1 by 2 means theta should be equal to pi by 3 because cos half. Right, 60 degree. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. The length of the lattice rectum of the parabola is, first we should bring it, this is a transform parabola. So bring the parabola to standard form. And write this as 4y square. 4y square plus 3y. 4y square plus 3y plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Clear? Now this can be written as, take 4 out from the first two terms, y square plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into y plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 4 times y square plus 3 by 4y. Okay, add and subtract half of, completing the squares, add and subtract half of coefficient of y the whole square. This is 9 by 64. I'll add 9 by 64, subtract 9 by 64 plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to 4 times, first three terms is y plus 3 by 8 the whole square minus 9 by 64 plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. To multiply this, you get 4 into y plus 3 by 8 the whole square. Minus 4 will cancel 6 for 16 times. This 9 by 16 plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is 4 times. You will get sometimes lengthy questions like this. Y plus 3 by 8 the whole square, okay, is equal to minus 3x minus 1 plus 9 by 16. Can be written as 4 into y plus 3 by 8 the whole square. 3 by 8 the whole square. Okay, and equal to minus 3 plus 7 by 16. 4 into y plus 3 by 8 the whole square equal to minus 3. If you take common, it is x minus 7 by 16, right? 16 into 3 is 48. When you take 3 out, you have to divide by 3. Okay, so this is y plus 3 by 8 the whole square equal to minus 3 by 4 to x minus 7 by 48. So this is of the form y minus k the whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. The transform downward parabola. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4a. In place of 4a, I have 3 by 4. The lattice rectum is option. Let's move to the next question. P stands for probability. Probability of A given B. Probability of A given B equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Right? P of A intersection B is 7 by 10. Probability of B is 7 by 20. So 7 by 10 to 20 by 17. Cancel 2 times. We'll get 14 upon 17. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. This is a worked out example of NCERT only. Boards also they have asked this question. 2016 KCET problem. Determinant equal to 0. First row will be equal to 1 plus x, 1 and 1. Change R2 to R2 minus R1. Change R2 to R2 minus R1. This is minus x by 0. Change R3 to R3 minus R1. Minus x, 0 and z. Now if I expand the determinant, 1 plus x into delete first row first column, you will get this as yz. Minus 1 into delete first row second column, you get minus xz. Plus 1 into delete first row last column, you get xy is equal to 0. Okay, so this is yz plus this is xyz, then plus xz plus xy is equal to 0. But divide throughout by xyz. Okay, because I want x power minus 1, y power minus 1, z power minus 1. If I divide by xyz, if I divide throughout by xyz, this is 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. X to the power of minus 1 plus y to the power of minus 1 plus z power minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Answer is minus. Let's move to the next question. Okay, integration of, we'll use integration using substitution method. I'm going to substitute x into e power x is equal to t. First function is x, differentiation of e power x is e power x, plus second function is e power x, differentiation of x is 1. Okay, and then dx is equal to dt. If I take suppose e power x common, we'll get this as x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. Numerator is dt divided by cos square t. 1 by cos is sec. We'll get this as sec square t dt. Okay, integration of sec square t is tan t, right? Tan t plus c. Tan of, what's the value of t? Into e power x plus c. Tan of x into e power x plus c. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Probability of obtaining a total score of 5. I taught you the shortcut as well. The probability two dice are rolled. Sample space is equal to 1 1 to 1 6, right? 1 1 to 1 6 and so on up to 6 1 to 6 6 to the sample space. Okay, so n of s is equal to 36. 6 into 6. Probability of getting sum 5. Okay, probability of sum equal to 5, which is equal to, you can take 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, sum 5 divided by n of s. is 4 by 36 equal to 1 by 9. Then, or I taught you this before as well. 2 dice are rolled. Minimum sum is 2, maximum is 12. So x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, 6 on the left, 5 on the left, and 5 on the right. Middle term is 7 only. Okay, this would be sum, the probability. This is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. Middle term is 7. Then you get 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Here you get probability 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right in the reverse way. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right. Probability of getting sum 5. Probability of getting sum 5 is 4 only, right? That's why this is 4 by 36. Sum 4 is probability of getting sum 5 is 4. That is 4 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 9. Let's move to the next question. A and B are unit vectors, right? So that means that modulus of A is 1, modulus of B is 1. A and B are unit vectors. Angle between A and B, supposed to find angle between A and B, root 3A minus B is also a unit vector. That is modulus is equal to 1. If you square on both sides, you will get root 3A minus B the whole square is equal to 1. A square is 3 into mod A the whole square. B square is mod B the whole square. Minus 2AB, 2 root 3 to A dot B is equal to 1. A and B are unit vectors, right? So I'll get this as 3 plus B plus 1 minus 2. Again, this is equal to mod A into mod B to cos theta is equal to 1. So you get 4 minus 2 root 3. Mod A mod B is 1. So you get cos theta equal to 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 2 root 3 into cos theta. Okay, 3 divided by 3 root 3. Sorry, 2 root 3. 3 divided by 2 root 3 is equal to cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 3 by root 3 is root 3 only, right? So this is root 3 by 2. Cos theta is root 3 by 2 means theta should be equal to pi by 6. That is 30 degree. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. General solution of the equation is theta not 0. This is theta. Okay, now cot can be written as sin by cos. Sorry, cot can be written as cos by sin. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Tan can be written as sin by cos equal to 2. LCM is equal to sin theta cos theta, right? If you cross multiply, you get cos square plus sin square equal to 2. Right? Cos square plus sin square is 1. 1 is equal to, if you cross multiply, you get 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. 1 can be written as sin pi by 2. Right? Now this is of the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha. General solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n times alpha. Okay, now this 2 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n times alpha is pi by 2. If we divide throughout by 2, okay, theta is equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 power n times alpha. Alpha is pi by 4 plus c. N pi by 2 minus 1 power n times pi by 4. The answer. Right, answer will be option C. Let's move to the next question. The vector equation of a plane which is at a distance of 3 by root 4 from the origin and normal vector is, equation of a plane in normal form is r dot n is equal to d, right? Okay, r dot n cap is equal to d. N cap should be unit vector. N cap is equal to vector n upon magnitude. So this is 2i minus 3j plus k divided by magnitude of this will be equal to root of 4 plus 9 plus 1. Equal to r dot with n cap. N cap will be equal to 2i minus 3j plus k whole divided by root of 14. D is equal to 3 by root of 14. Root 14 will cancel 14. R dot with 2i minus 3j plus. Last option D only. Let's move to the next question. There's a direct shortcut for this. Limit should be a to b f of x power n. Again, this is f of x power n plus f of a plus b minus x whole power n. That is lower limit plus upper limit minus x dx. Shortcut is always b minus a by 2. Okay, if you compare this and this in the same form, this is f of x, this is f of x. F of lower plus upper minus x, if you do, you will get the same thing. That is, if this is 2 to 8, that is fx is equal to root fx is equal to 10 minus x. This can also be written as, okay, this fx can be written as, right, this integration can be written as integration of 2 to 8 10 minus x whole power half divided by the power of half plus 10 minus x whole power half, then dx. Okay, so this is, if I compare fx is equal to 10 minus x, f of lower plus upper minus x, 2 plus 8 minus x, again you will get fx only. That is lower plus upper minus x. Change x to lower plus upper minus x. If you open the bracket, you will get x only. Answer is b minus a by 2. 8 minus 2 divided by 2. Answer is plus. Right? Let's move to the next question. The sum of first n terms of a series. See, no need to do the problem. If you put n equal to 1, you will get the first term as 1. Right? If you put n equal to 1 here, you will get minus 1 by 6. Answer is ruled out because I should get 1 by 6. Given expression, first term should be equal to 1. Put n equal to 1, you get minus 1 by 3. Even this is ruled out. If you put n equal to 1, you get 1. Here also, if you put n equal to 1, you get 1. Now what I'll do is, since two options are same, I'll put n equal to 2. If I put n equal to 2, first term is 1. Second term 1 square plus 2 square is 5 by 3, which is equal to 8 by 3. Now I'll put n equal to 2 in the options. I should get 8 by 3. When you put n equal to 2, don't take the second term. Add the first two terms. Right? Because I'm finding sum to n terms. Now if you put n equal to 2, you will get 2 into 2 plus 2 is 4 by 3. Is equal to 8 by 3. Put n equal to 2 here, I get 4 by 3 only. Not possible. Ruled out. Answer is option. Very good technique. Use this. If I take log on both these sides, it's an NCRT exemplar exercise question. Sorry, worked out example. If I take log on both these sides, log of x to the power of y is equal to log of e to the power of x minus y. Y into log x is equal to x minus y into log e. Log e is 1. Y into log x is equal to x minus y. Shift on the left side, you will get y plus y into log x. Okay, is equal to x. I take y common. 1 plus log x is equal to x. So I get y is equal to x divided by 1 plus log x. I just wrote y a function of x. Now if I differentiate, dy by dx is equal to v into u dash. Okay, that is v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. 1 plus log x the whole square will cancel. Okay, this will be equal to 1 plus log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x the whole square. Plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. Log x by 1 plus log x the whole square. Answer is option. Right, let's move to the next question. If f is a function from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 6, what is bijective? Then what is f inverse? The function inverse will exist only if it is both 1 to 1 and on to. So you take y a function of x. I'll simplify and write x a function of y. That itself is the inverse. Y is equal to, this is 2x plus 6. I can write y minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to x. From this, f inverse of y minus 6 by 2. Similarly, f inverse of x minus 6 by 2. If I simplify this, you get x by 2 minus 3. Answer is D. Let's move to the next question. Equation of the normal to the curve where the tangent crosses the x-axis. Right, now listen. The tangent crosses x-axis, obviously y will be equal to 0. So if I put y equal to 0 in the first option, equation, we'll get 0 is equal to 2 minus x, which is x is equal to 2. So what's the point I got? Point will be equal to 2 comma 0, right? So no need to do the problem. After getting the point, you substitute in the options and check which will satisfy. If I put 2 0 in the first option, doesn't satisfy. If I substitute here, it doesn't satisfy. Okay, if I substitute here, you get 2 minus 0 minus 10. Even this doesn't satisfy. But if I substitute here, you get 10 minus 0 minus 10 is equal to 0. Answer is option D. Right, so I'm done with this paper, guys. I'm done with KCET 2016 paper. I'm going to continue with 2017 paper in my next session. Please do watch, like, and share my video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for joining me. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all our classes. Please do like and share my video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for joining.